can feel the flowing of heat. Okay, heat. Right. Wow, someone record me. Okay, this heat flows. How heat flows from warmer substance Okay ni wait Class, may I know who siapa yang tengah record ya? Who are record?
Ifan.
Ifan.
How do you guys know?
You record us, okay? Alright.
Saya kena selalu record. Saya tolong lah.
Record. Okay, later you need to give me this recorded version lah. Then only I can
Teacher,
share.
how? Macam mana dia record je?
How? Adalah recorded button.
Dia kata kalau nanti kalau saya stop record nanti dia automatically save to your drive.
Your drive, not my drive. Your drive.
Save to your, tengok dia cakap yang ni.
You have email kan? You have this email. You log in using this email. Later, it will save in your drive. Okay, this one.
Cik, dia cakap kan the recording will be saved in your Africa Funais Google Drive.
Oh really? Good lah. Later I will get lah the video. Okay. So class. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can Okay, so heat flows from warmer substance to cooler substance. Substance. Oi, baca Quran pula. Tadi Tafidah, ini kan sains. Siapa tu? Okay, so
Ada tu radio saya.
Radio, okay. Heat flows from warmer to cooler. So, let's say I give you a situation, ma'am. You fill in a glass of warm water. Then you put your hand on that glass. Then what will happen after that? Right now is we are trying to predict what will happen. Okay. We are using scientific process skills. We are apply. Okay. So I give you a question again. You fill up a glass of warm water. Then you put your hand on that glass. What will happen? No. You just imagine je. What will happen? When you put a glass, you put your hand around the warm water tu. What will happen?
Teacher, open the screen yang tadi gaming sheet tu.
Sabar lah. Oh, open the screen. Nampak tak? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So answer me. Give me the answer, chat box. What will happen if you put your hand around the glass of warm, a glass filled up with warm water? What will happen to your hand? Mikael said panas. Okay, Akil said the cup will slowly be cold. Okay, then what else? Naura said hot. Hot. Okay, so your hand too will feel hot. panas, kan? Because tadi heat flows from warm substance to cold substance. Your hand currently tu during that state tu is cold, but the glass is warm. So the heat flow from warm to cold. Okay, now I change the situation. Another situation. Cup will gain heat. Not cup will gain heat. Your hand tu yang gain heat. Cup tu lose heat. Sebab later dia, because heat flow tu from warm to cold kan. Bila dia flow means lose lah. Dia lose, then someone yang will gain the heat. Who gain the heat? Your hand. That's why your hand will become hot. Okay, next. I change the situation. Now,
Saya nak tidur.
nak tidur. Sabar Fayat. 9:30 then only you can leave. Okay. Now, what will happen if you hold a glass of cold water, fill up with cold water? What will happen to your hand? Good, Akil. Akil have tried before this. So, he said based on his experience, not only imagination. Okay, now, use your skills, what will happen when you hold a glass filled up with cold water? Okay, Akil said your hand will be cold and the cup will just be regular. Okay, the rest, okay. Naura said our hand will be cold. Akil, we become Fayat, we become Iceman. Cheers. How about Mikael? Your answer. Ifan, where is Ifan? Ifan, what? Write down your answer. Hadif, Hadif mana? Everyone need to give opinion. Doesn't matter wrong or correct. We are discussing now.
Yeah, I already wrote my answer.
Okay, our hand lose heat. Okay. Hadif, your answer Hadif. Okay, because teacher, I like to drink hot and cold water. Okay, so good. The answer is your hand will become cold. Remember, the concept here, heat flows from warmer substance to cold substance. Now, your hand is warm. Then you are holding a glass of cold water. So your heat in from your hand to will transfer, will lose heat and go to cold substance, which is the glass. So your hand later will become cold because you are lose that heat. Okay, and the glass to will become like Akil said, will just become regular, will not cold anymore. Okay, because the heat because it gain heat from our hand. So that's the point. That's the concept of gaining and lose heat. Okay, gaining means you get the energy, you get the heat. Kalau losing, you lose. Dia keluar that heat tu. Alright. Okay, next question. How about if you turn on a torchlight? Okay, you are using torchlight for quite long time. What will happen to the front pipe when you touch? How do you feel?
Panas, hot.
Hot. Why? Why hot?
For a long time. Gas.
Macam mana boleh hot sebab because how torchlight get the energy? The heat energy tu, how? Yes, good, Akil. So because the torchlight itself get the energy tu from battery, of course. So that's why the front part will become, when you touch the front part, you can feel hot. Okay? The same thing, if you hold a stone, you put a stone exposed to the sun for 10 minutes. Later it will become hot. Okay?
Teacher, kalau
Yes?
kita, if we put water on a stone kan, nanti
Mm-hmm.
makin lama it will become very small.
Sorry, I cannot hear. When you put water on the stone, later it become what, Fayed? Dah tak dengar suara Fayed.
Small, become
Oh,
small.
small.
أفلم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم
Really? You burn your hand, Akil? Grabbing a super hot stone? Wow. Okay. The same thing kalau for this, if you know bertungku. Bertungku kan, bertungku tu means that you put a stone, normally you put stone wrap with a leaf like mengkudu or what ke, ataupun you just burn, you just put that stone on the stove and later that stone will become hot. Okay? Alright, so
Teacher.
yes.
Open the screen, teacher draw to copy.
Oh, want to copy? Okay.
وقيل اليوم ننساكم كما نسيتم لقاء
Wait.
يوم هذا مأواكم النار وما لكم من
Okay, this is just a small, simple note today.
بأنكم اتخذتم آيات
Okay. You can copy. Alah, why ah? Wait I present screen. Oh, because recording tu currently, doesn't matter actually. Okay, so if you cannot see my screen, please tell me Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you see my screen? Okay, can Okay. So this is your simple note for today. Gaining and losing heat.
Okay,
Heat flows from warmer substance to cooler.
Copy.
Copy. Okay, if you have done, tell me because I want to draw another notes lah for you.
Done.
Done.
Not yet.
Yeah, okay.
I'm done here.
Done Alright.